Okay, here's another little pearl. This is back on the Hawk XP. This is the way the folks at Annual safetied the air filter assembly. Now the air filter sits on top of the engine. It's kind of a backwards flow engine. Air comes in here through the front of the cowl. Then it comes through and back into the cylinders. This is your throttle body system. Over here is your alternate air door. And then this is alternate air, goes in back behind the baffle area in the after area, so in case you end up getting snow or something like that. So this is the problem we had here, is these folks safetied the this guy. Let me make sure it focuses here, hopefully. They safetied the wing nut over to a hose clamp, which is kind of not the right thing to do. So what normally there's a screw, there's a through hole here, and what has happened on this particular one is it broke off. Well, this little rod, it looks like it's worth about $1. It's $270 from Cessna. So what the prior folks did is not a big deal. There was only about 1/4 of an inch sticking out. They went and cross drilled it for cotter and safety, or safety wire. That's where it should have been safety wired. Whoever took this apart didn't see that, didn't understand that, and safety wired it over here to a clamp and just kind of wrapped it around this clamp. Not a real good deal. There's actually ways you can safety clamps, but we'll save that for another time. So this is kind of botched up. We're going to fix this. We'll be back in just a minute. Okay, we're back, and I don't know what's going on with my focus here. Seems to be working okay. This is what we ended up doing. We'll come in close here. We just safety wired it to the through stud itself. That goes into the housing, and it's not going to turn. It's J-hooked onto a steel bar, and then this end just gets. All we do is we're just attaching the cotter key, or pardon me, the safety wire to the wing nut, and that's it. So there's nothing, no sketchy stuff going over to any other engine part. That's it. That's all what it should look like anytime you pull the filter and all that. Another thing you want to look at on this particular engine is make sure that this flapper is your alternate air door. There's a little door in here, and then also there's 2 little flappers in here. So at Annual, you want to make sure you take this off. Annual 100 hours, take this off and make sure those little flappers are all working properly, just so everything works great. That's it. Have a good one. Be good.